Hello dear children. In the last class we discussed the carbon atom as an ability to form long chain hydrocarbons other than hydrogen. Okay, carbon atom also bonds with other than hydrogen atom, and also it forms large number of molecules. Okay, large number of molecules. Why those are all properties for carbon atom? Because there are three main characteristics of carbon atom. Those are, for the first one is the catenation character, and the next one is tetravalent, and also the third one is moderate or intermediate electronegativity. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಅಟಮ್ಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಹೈ ನೆಗೆಟಿವಿಟಿನೂ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಲೆಸ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವಿಟಿನೂ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರೋನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಹೈ ಅಂಡ್ ಲೋ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಮೀಡಿಯೇಟ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರೋನೆಗೆಟಿವಿಟಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ catenation, and it has a tetravalent. Okay dear children, why carbon atom forms large number of molecules. Do you know children, in organic chemistry, okay, in organic, totally in the 100% of organic compounds, in that the 99% of the organic compounds is made up of carbon compounds. Is it, my dear children? That's why that type of ability is to the carbon atom. Why? Because of the three main characteristics. In that, the first one is catenation. The next one is, which one? It has a tetravalent. Okay, it has a tetravalent. And the third one is moderate or intermediate. Okay, moderate or intermediate electronegativity. Okay, electronegativity. Due to these reasons, carbon atom forms large number of molecules, and also it forms long chain hydrocarbons. Not only hydrocarbons, it also forms the bonds with sulfur, oxygen, nitrogen, and also other halogens also. You know, halogen means the 17 group elements: fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Get it, dear children? We will discuss one by one terms. Okay, what is catenation, tetravalent, intermediate electronegativity, hege depend agutte electronegativity anaduna during this class we will discuss. Okay, in that the first one is, dear children, in that the first one is catenation. How we will define catenation? Catenation means it has a capacity of self linkage of an atom of same element. We call it as catenation. Means capacity of self linkage of an atom of same element called as catenation. Dear children, carbon linked with carbons means the linking of a same element, we call it as catenation. Okay, means carbon atom has that type of capacity, means it has a capacity of self linkage of an atom of same element, we call it as catenation. Carbon atom, okay, carbon atom, the carbon connectivity is different, means the shapes are also different. Means, for example, I am taking butane. Okay, I am taking butane. Number of carbon atoms, how many number of carbon atoms? But means 4. There are 4 number of carbon atoms. Okay, the carbon connectivity is different. then the shapes are also different, then shapes is different in different molecule, then the properties are also different in the different molecule. Get it, dear children? I will show in the example of butane. Okay, butane means the number of carbon atoms are 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here I didn't fulfill the valency, means number of hydrogens na bariyodilla. Just for your, you get to know, just for your remembrance. Okay, carbon atom is 4. This is, we call it as long chain, or we call it as enanta karitivi linear anteli karitevi. In the second, the same butane has different structure when the connectivity is different. Means carbon, carbon, carbon. One of the carbon attached to the second carbon atom. Means 1, 2, 3. This is carbon atom 4. The fourth carbon atom is attached to the second carbon atom. Means linking is different compared to the linear. Is it? We call it as this structure, we call it as branched chain anteli karitevi. Okay na, branched chain. If in case of cyclic, butane is in cyclic, number of carbon atom means cyclic structure. We will write two types of cyclic structure. In that 1, 2, 3, one of the carbon, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, the fourth atom is interconnected between 1 and 2 carbon atoms, that is in cyclic, means propane structure. Okay, means cyclopropane structure. Now ಇದನ್ನ connectivity now naming ಅಲ್ಲಿ define ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. I will tell you how we will name in this carbon atom in the next class, next videos. I will tell you, dear children. Okay, the other example is in cyclic of cyclobutane structure, means number of carbon atoms 4. Here look at here, children. This is linear structure, this is branched structure, this is cyclopropane, this is cyclobutane. Get it? The connectivity of carbon atom different, then the shapes also different. The shapes of a molecule is different, then the properties is also different. Get it, dear children? Then go to the next point. Dear children, carbon has more self-linkage capacity. More self-linkage capacity. You know, because there are three main characteristics: catenation, tetravalent, moderate electronegativity. That's why carbon atom has more self-linkage capacity. And also in the periodic table, you know the periodic table, there are 118 elements in the periodic table. There are 4 blocks, that is S, P, D, F blocks. Okay, carbon atoms comes in P block. Okay, carbon atom comes in P blocks. Among 118 elements in the periodic table, carbon atom, okay, carbon atom with highest catenation capacity or highest catenation property. Get it? Among the 118 elements in the periodic table, the carbon has highest catenation capacity. Okay, carbon atom has highest catenation capacity. Okay, other than carbon means next ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ periodic table ನಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, the next will come in silicon. Okay, silicon is the next highest catenation capacity. No, you know, children, because it comes in the same group. Okay, carbon, silicon, that's why. Okay, it comes in the same period. Okay, same group, sorry, it comes in the same group, that's why it has same property, but the electronegativity is less than carbon. Silicon ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, electronegativity ಕೂಡ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, and also size is also different. Okay, size silicon ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ compared to carbon, that's why it has less catenation capacity than compared to carbon. among 118 elements carbon atom has highest catenation property. ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನ ನಾನು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇರ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೀನಿ. ಇದನ್ನೇನ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ತಲೆಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಆಟಮ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕೆಟಿನೇಷನ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನೆನಪಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Get it, dear children? Then we move on to the tetravalent of carbon atom.